3 coins, $1,000 investment, $100,000 profit. If it's sounding interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Before I go there, take a look at this. This was DiCaprio Cheers. And I'm not telling you to buy this coin. If you've got a bag of this, great. I shared this when it was an 11K market cap. This blew up to 20, 30, I think it was at $30 million. And then it saw a little pullback. The rest of the market tanked. Look at the date and time when this launched. It launched on the 18th of March. A few months back, well, about 8 months ago, something like that. But in that time, in March, coins were blowing up massive. So you saw huge money come into the market. People were just throwing their money into these coins trying to make profit. Now, I know we're going to see this again. So when you see that time come where money just gets flooded into memes or just nano caps or micro caps, that's where you reap the rewards, especially if you're getting in early now. So first coin, this one, Scuba. And I'm showing you coins on the Sui network because Sui's hot right now. I believe the Sui chain is the place to look for new opportunities to make massive gains in crypto. That's my personal opinion. This is a 1 million market cap. Scuba is a dog. It says it just that went scuba diving, and you got a video here. You can see they put the dog in a little scuba outfit. His whole feet is all tucked in and stuff like this. He's got a little octopus teddy toy with him on his journey, and he's scuba diving. That dog's seen something no other dog's seen in this world. For the first time, a dog's gone underwater and seen a whole new world, and they've made a meme out of this, and I think it will do extremely well. Right now, this is a 1 million market cap. I believe that this could go to 100 million when that excitement kicks in again. You know, if you've been here back in March, you know what the excitement was like. And when I share coins, you best pay attention because they blow. So right now, just think of yourself as a lucky person to be able to get in whilst the hype and excitement is not there. People are unsure and everything. It's the best time because when it finally does blow, like when I showed you, what's it called? That Troll on Sol. Do you see Troll blow up like 600-700%, 800%? That was only a few days ago. That's because I showed you before the pump. I'm showing you before the pump, right? That's what you guys want. If you want to make money, you got to get in before the pump. So I'm showing you before the pump cryptos, right? What am I laughing for? I can't have it. That's your first coin. Super simple. I don't want to be long on this. Now, actually, before I go any further, I must stress what I'm about to show you is extremely high risk. You could lose all your money. It's toxic plays, biohazard plays, because they're so down and low in market cap that they could just either fall to zero or they explode. Look, I can't get my words out. Put what you can afford to lose. Next coin, this one right here, Suipreme. I don't know who the founder is of this, but they've done nice little updates on a website. You can see the logo. It's tight. It's clean. And I like the idea of people being able to buy the Suipreme logo on merchandise. And you can see him. He's rocking a Suipreme hat. This is on the Sui network. They use my video. Cool. I don't mind. Because maybe I'm the only one I've spoken about. So Suipreme is basically a nano cap. Can you call it a meme? I guess they're making it into a meme. It could be a brand of its own, just from looking at this. Look at the boat. You've got a Suipreme flipping boat as well, speedboat. Cool. Look, just like, can I buy that? Minus the little dude. Okay, have the dude, I don't mind, he's little. But that's what I like. I like the idea. And the thing is, I've seen other people or other founders or whoever it is on these move pumps and stuff trying to make the original, you know, the red Supreme, the red box doesn't work for me. It's this that works because you're talking about Sui is blue, Sui is water. You've got the teardrop in the actual logo of the water as a sweeper. It's clever, man. And you won't get censored, you won't get done for copyright because you're being original, you're being unique. Suipreme. People know straight away when they say this, like, yeah. And they've got this other little logo as well if you want it on the tops and stuff. Can you buy this? Is there like a link to the shop? If there is, great. But I would like to be able to buy, not this, I want to buy the Suipreme, that. I want to buy that box figure logo where I can put it on the top and then rock it. It's just nice, it's hot. Listen, 24K cap. When you're, because we're talking $1,000, $333 went into Scuba. When that does 100x, that's 33 grand. Yep. I'm saying it's up to you, $333 in Supreme. Because the 10x goes to 240K, your 333 goes to 3,333. And then when it goes to 2.4 million, which I feel like it can do when the hype comes, do you remember this? It blew up. Look, whoever got in when I was sharing you this video at 11K cap, you can go on my channel, look back at it. Look, $645,000. That's what it is right now. We're going to divide this by 11,000 because that's sort of like what I showed you in the video. You are still up right now today, 58 times your money. Stick around, like and subscribe. Because when I show you coins, I'm telling you, I'm showing you coins that could blow. You're getting in before the pump. These are before the pump coins. I want before the pump coins, and these are before the pump. When it goes to 2.4 million, your $333 goes to $33,000. That's $66,000. $66,666. Last coin, this Squid. Now, the reason I'm choosing this is because you can see it. It's clever. It's got the whole, it's like the water type of meme on the Sui network, because Sui's water, it means water in Japan, but it's the whole water chain, and it's using Pepe's face for a squid. It's very clever. I would like to see this website updated. It's such a basic, plain website, but it is what it is. You know, get it updated. Whoever, you know, the founder is, just make it look more happening. I don't know, make it more animated and stuff. You can use AI to animate. Just it's a basic website. But it doesn't stop me believing that it can do extremely well, because the icon behind this is very clever. Squid, right? On the Sui network. Guess what? 24K market cap. I am getting you in before the pump. These, what I'm showing you, are before the pump coins. If you want to make massive gains, you have to get in before the pump. Before the pump cryptos. 24K cap. Your $333, which would be your last 333, turns to 3,300 when this goes to a 240K cap. When it goes to 2.4 million, you've got $33,000. So I'm saying two of these could go to 2.4 million, maybe $3 million. You make 33,000 on each, and then one of them goes to $100 million, and then you make your whole 100K. What if these go to like 6 million, 8 million, 10 million, 12 million? What if they do what this did right here, cheers, and goes up? Because, you know, it's falling down right now. It's down here. It fell down massively right now. You know, this is massive. Look at the pump. Look, right to the top. 2,400%. What if it goes to 20, 30 million each? You could make far more money than what I'm talking right now. Because if it goes into the tens of millions, you could very well become a millionaire off of a $1,000 investment. I'm going to leave it here. If it was helpful, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Become a Patreon. They saw this video first. I can't promise you that these prices will remain the same. I mean, they could. I don't know. But I can't promise you, because Patreon see the opportunity, then they gobble it up, and then eventually it goes on the channel, and then, you know, people are buying, and at that point you've missed before the pump. You want to get in before the pump, right? So become a Patreon. The link will be in the info section. Click it. Highly recommend you come check it out. Let me just close all these tabs. I don't know why I got so many tabs open. I highly recommend you check my Patreon out, because you can be guided on your journey. If you're someone new that needs to learn about stuff, lots of helpful things over here on my Patreon. If you're someone that's in this space and you want to get in early on projects and find these gems early, this is what I do. I try to show you the opportunity. I have 7 tiers. Take your pick. Click the link in the info section. Come over. I say go for the VIP partner tier if you can afford it. That's the one that unlocks all the posts. So you won't miss nothing. You'll see when I'm buying, when I'm selling, when I'm staking, all of that. And if you can afford it, my next tier above, the CEO tier, gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. It's favorable. People like it over there. You get nice insights quick. The market never sleeps. So if half of the world is sleeping, that group is sharing the hottest thing, what's happening right now. We caught the Tron meme hype in the group because they shared it immediately. They were catching that Sundog fast. We caught the Sui meme hype. We're catching the hypes all the time. The next trend that kicks off, you're going to see it in my group first. I'm just that simple. There's too many heads in there that are smart. Right, guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Where's the thing? I'm going to leave it on this. Where's it? This. And I will see you in my next video. Cheers.